Hi, it's Emily. 2018 is over and it's a good time to reflect and look back and see what are the highlights of this year. So I'm going to share with you my highlights and I would like you to share yours in the comment section. One of the first things that came to mind when I was thinking about that was decisions I took for my health. So I started doing Pilates and this year I really did a lot of it. I was consistent with it and it really helped me. I used to have neck pain and now it's pretty much gone, so I'm very happy about that. And I try to think about my posture a lot, so that's a big highlight of my year. And I have started to teach online more. I think maybe a year before I had a few students, but this year I did it way more and I really enjoy it, and I think I really understood how to do it, and that's something that I love doing and that I want to continue doing in the next years. And another thing that I've worked on, it's not completely there yet, but it's getting better and better. It's saying no, because there are things that are not in line with my goals, and I tend to say yes to everything because I guess I like to be nice, or I like people and I want to do it with them, or whatever the reasons. But now I'm trying to be a bit more consistent with the time that I have and the goals that I have, and just accepting that I have to say no to a few things once in a while. And that's also one of my goals for next year, to be able to do it even more, be a bit more consistent with saying no, because I used to say yes all the time. So it's a progress. I'm very happy about that. So I want, my goals for next year are sticking to my priorities, so continuing to refuse certain things, and I want to work on some courses and books for you guys. And also I want to make more music videos. I want to make music videos that are not necessarily teaching, but more playing. And so those are my goals and I'm very excited about them, and that's why I will have to make choices to make time to make those possible. I would like to know more about your goals, musical or non-musical, and share that with us please in the comment section below. I really enjoyed sharing my thoughts with you. If you like those types of videos and you want me to make more of them, please let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please check out our store and listen to our podcast, the Flute Talk podcast, which is available anywhere you find podcasts. And if you listen to it on iTunes, please leave a comment because this helps us out a lot. And if you want to help us even more, you can go on our Patreon. Thanks for watching.